YouTubers, it's Brian Paragamian, senior trader and co-founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, bringing you the mid-morning commentary. I don't know what happened to our early morning commentary, but I apologize for that. Nonetheless, the stock market is up 182 points here. I'm a little surprised by the strength of it here, actually. I really didn't think we'd see much of this. I thought, if anything, we'd see more of a choppy activity today. Maybe up 50, 75 on the Dow, down 50, 75 on the Dow. More of a range-bound activity. We're not getting that. We're getting a straight-up shot here again today. Again, we're going to respect the tape action, 2,500 plus on the upside, advancing a little over 300 on the decline side. So we're going to respect the tape action. We've talked about maybe getting up into this 8,000 area. We've talked about maybe 8,400 above that, towards 9,000. We're going to respect that. We did get stopped out on our long FAZ, Frank Apple Zebra, for a break-even stop. It's currently trading 19. We were long it yesterday from 18.75, closing up over 21. We didn't take the profit. We did not expect anything like this. We thought we'd, like I just said, see some choppy activity. We wanted to ideally cover into a small down opening today of maybe 50 points, or if they hit the market 50 to 75 points, and we'd have looked to run. Maybe we got a little bit greedy on this one. I don't know that we did. I think it was a surprise to everyone that we took off the way we did today. But nonetheless, we try and put the percentages in our favor. And again, we got stopped on for a break even, so we're not too concerned about that. We do have long positions that we are enjoying the move up here in the stock market still. In between, we're going to day trade, we're going to swing trade, we're going to do whatever it takes to make money here. On the we did have some economic news this morning that was a little better than expected, so we did get the early morning pop. Then we had the crude inventories. We saw a build on that. But prior to that, we had the housing starts. That was better than expected, so the market was like adding fuel to the fire. The market took off even further. We had gold spike, up, $15, $16 an ounce. I believe I remember seeing. Now we're up only 540. I actually think gold is a short here, and I'm actually going to look to short some of the gold stocks. If we get any further push in the gold stocks tomorrow morning, I'm going to look to short them. In a few days back, I had mentioned looking to get short AEM in the 58, 59 area. Well, sure enough, we spiked all the way up to the upper 58s. The stock had a sharp reversal off of that, trading right now at 57.12. I think that stock is a short sale. I'm not saying it's shorted here, but I think gold overall is a short. I've talked about this here for I don't know how long. We had the big rally in gold off the quantum ease announcement. I think gold net is a dead short sale here. I don't think we have to worry about inflation. Everybody's debasing their currency, so I don't buy into the fact that the dollar's gonna be devalued so far that gold's gonna rally because of that. I think it's all nonsense. They're trying to suck you in. That's my opinion. I could be right, I could be wrong, but I think I'm dead on, and I'm looking for significantly lower prices in gold. And I am net short gold as an investment. Yes, that's right. As an investment, I'm short net gold, and that's where I plan on staying. I think this rally here in gold, I think gold is done. Let's put it that way. I don't think there's really any reason to be a buyer of gold. Where do we think the market's going from here? I certainly don't think I want to get in front of shorting anything just yet. I want to see if they're going to be able to push this market up a little further. I want to respect the tape action on the breadth here. Now, I want to see if the volume's going to expand today or not. I want to see, those numbers at the end of the day. I do see the FAZ upticking here as we speak. It's trading 1944 now. It is well off its bottom by over $1. I see the banks here softening up a little bit, up $1.45. The one thing I did note on this new push again to new highs on the Dow was the Russell did not make new highs, nor did the NASDAQ Composite make new highs. So again, that to me is a little alarming, and if we have to go ahead and get short here again, we're going to go ahead and do it, but we're going to respect the tape action of the market. Right now, I want to just hold off on doing any shorting. The breadth is too good. They may give us this, pullback here, midday pullback, but then, surge them again late in the day. I just don't feel comfortable shorting right here. I want to look for a higher opening tomorrow here. I want to look for some divergences again. We are jammed overbought, and I think this rally is running out of steam, but boy, we have to just respect it and let it go. And again, the key is patience and discipline. Patience and discipline. And if we miss a shorting opportunity, so be it. We missed a shorting opportunity. But what we don't want to do is force trades and just get short because we want to be short. We do want to be short, but we're going to wait for the setup, and we're going to let the setup come to us. And that's just the way it is. So I don't really have a whole lot to add other than I would probably be looking to get short, AEM into any further push here, more likely tomorrow morning. And I'll tell you, excuse me. And I'll tell you a stock, because I'm looking at my screen, that looks really, really weak, that I think can be played on the short side, is Apple Computer. Apple never made a higher high. It's jammed overbought. This is a stock, Apple, that I'm going to look to really get aggressively short tomorrow morning. I am short the stock right now from higher price levels, but I think this is a stock that it wouldn't surprise me, believe it or not. I'll go out right here and say this here on YouTube right now. It wouldn't surprise me if this stock found itself down on the day today. That's how weak it looks. Right now it's trading 107.32, up 82 cents on the day. I think the stock looks, tired. I think it's running out of gas, and I think Apple is probably my number one primary short sale candidate that I'm looking at. Have yourselves a great day, great afternoon. We'll be back after the market closes. Again, I apologize for not getting in this morning's pre-open comment. I don't know what happened. Have yourselves a great afternoon. We'll be back after the market closes.